Let's focus on this case, which relates to estate capture. You'll remember the name Bosasa, that's the former facilities management company. Well, former Bosasa Chief Financial Officer Angelo Agrizzi will have to appear in court virtually for his two cases. That is the ruling of the High Court in Pretoria. Agrizzi has not attended any of his court appearances since October 2020. His lawyers saying that he's simply too sick to do so. He will also not need a psychiatric evaluation for now, as that matter has been left for the trial court. eNCA's Manqoba Mchunu reports.
This was the last time former Bosasa COO Angelo Agrizzi appeared physically in court. That was during his bail application in October 2020. Since then, the 55-year-old has been a no-show in court, with his legal representatives citing illness. But both the state and the defense now agree it was not his fault and that he should now appear virtually for his two criminal cases.
We're now happy that we know that we have an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours each day in order to possession, in order to proceed, and him taking breaks in the interim. At the end of the day, we want to prosecute him, and we will not hesitate to prosecute him.
It's concluded that Mr. Agrizzi is not neurologically fit to stand trial.
Last week, a neurosurgeon told the court that Agrizzi had suffered a brain injury that rendered him neurologically unfit to stand trial, an issue the court says can't be ignored.
To me, as a presiding officer, brain injury is very serious. In whatever way you interpret it. And he says he is not neurologically fit to stand trial. Why should I hear a trial whereby an accused person is said, an expert, a neurosurgeon says he's not fit to stand trial? Why should I subject this person to stand trial? He's facing very serious charges. They are so serious. Will such a person be able to contribute meaningfully to his defense? I don't know. But the Criminal Procedure Act gives a solution. It says the person must be sent for observation.
Agrizzi's lawyers, though, argued otherwise.
Under given circumstances with the necessary medical, and I think Dr. Taban as well yesterday confirmed that he can definitely follow the proceedings, he understands the proceedings, he can take it in and he can respond, but he just needs the sufficient time. So there's no situation in that regard at this stage that he would need to be sent for observation.
Agrizzi faces fraud and corruption charges for 1.8 billion rand tender that the Correctional Services Department awarded Bosasa between 2004 and 2007. The matter has been postponed to the 20th of July, with the state now intending to bring an application for separation of trial. Manqoba Mchunu, Pretoria.